little channel cats. Yeah, he's on. Crank, baby, crank. All right, guys. We came, we conquered, and now we're going home and take a nap. Hey, Justin's birthday was yesterday, so pretty dang good birthday present right here.
Good birthday, man. Thank you. You brought the Lucky Charm along.
Like every time he comes out on the boat, we're always like, we'll just have a good time fishing. But we wind up putting fish in the boat. So wasn't a ton of fish, but good quality fish. Is that striper?
15.
15 is a darn good striper. And I thought it was going to be like a little 5-pound hybrid or something, but Justin's like, no, dude, I'm telling you, I got a real fish. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, share with your friends. Hope to see y'all next time. Take care. That might have been a fish. Oh, might be a largemouth or something. You got him. You got him. Oh, that's a striper, boy. He didn't run all up. That's a hybrid, brother. Uh-oh, let me help you out. Did he?
Yeah.
Dang. Well, we're in the right spot.
Man, you won't be able to do it so bad.
It's almost like we're getting dinked by little channel cats. Yeah, he's on. Crank, baby, crank. There you go. That's a hybrid. Oh, you were. Phew. Nice. Did he take a little bit of drag?
He did. I don't know if it's a hybrid, man.
I think it's a.
It might be. You don't feel it.
Yeah, I think it's a hybrid. They pull really good, man.
Look at it.
Oh, watch him. He's fixing to get back in the other line.
This one's getting hit over here too. Unless this line, he's getting in that line. I can't get him out of it.
All right, do what you can. It's all right. We'll deal with. I'll gladly take that mess. Holy smokes, he's all over. Which one was he over? All of them.
All of them.
That's okay.
He's going to the right. I can't stop him.
All right. No, he's gonna go the other way. All right. One more, get him. Yeah, dude. Whew. All right. That was not a hybrid.
It was not. I told you, I was like, he's pulling a little bit harder than I think hybrid is.
Jeez.
That's a pretty good striper.
Heck yeah, it is. Heck yeah, it is. Look at it some more.
Oh, yeah. What are you doing?
Take a look.
Huh?
Look at your phone and hit the answer button.
You fishing? Got one. All right. Y'all, they biting pretty good?
We just got here. Man, look at the gut on that thing. Big, boy. Golly. Hold that gut up again.
He's eating good.
Boy, that thing has been chewing. All right. 15 and a half, 16. Yeah, 15 pounds.
Good fish.
Yes, sir. Good fish, man. Good fish.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. She swims off to see another day. All right, folks, we set up on the first spot, and Justin here caught a nice striper. Way better than the hybrid that I thought it was going to be. And you were right, Justin. Guess what? You're fishing on credit. It's really hard to catch fish on a bare hook. Happened before. I caught a spotted bass one time when I was just dangling the hooks off at the back of the boat. it was crazy. My son and his buddy was with me that day, and they couldn't believe it either. But we're gonna move upriver a little bit further and get into a better spot. This wind is just kind of blowing us all over the place, so I want to get into a place where the wind's blowing with the current, keep us a little bit straighter. There's some up this river, so the striper run is on. Hybrids, stripers, everything's eating right now. It's a beautiful morning, overcast. Did rain a little bit yesterday. This front moved in, but anyway, we finna get up there and find one. See y'all in a bit. Maybe we'll catch another one. Catfish.
You gonna get him? If you ain't gonna get him, I'm gonna
Yeah,
get
I
him.
was about to get up, man. I was worrying about you.
Oh, son.
Yep.
I think so. He is digging, son. This fish right here is just, he's hungry. He's not real big, but he's got a lot of heart. I don't want to pull it too hard. There we go. Ain't it that one? Heck yeah. Not a bad one at all. Heck yeah. Love it.
He's pretty though.
He is gorgeous. Healthy fish, big old belly. All right. Send him back down. This joker right here pulled. Very good. Off he goes. Off he goes. Nice. All right. He pulled it down slow.
He's coming right at me too.
You staying down?
Yeah.
Sweet.
He's coming up now.
Yep, big old flathead. Whew. That was a typical flathead bite. Man, he has got that line slimed up,
He
son.
does, man.
Nice. Heck yeah.
Pretty
He
little
is-
joker.
He is pretty. He is pretty.
All right, big boy.
Love it. Sweet.
Heck yeah.
Back on.
Jesus. I thought you was hung for a second.
I did too. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
You got something good?
It's coming right at us, bud. Stay down. Come here, fella. There we go. Good snag. Good snag. That was that big headpiece.
Was it?
Yep. Sure was.
Talk to me, boy. I hear you.
Yes, sir. I will. I don't think he'll quite hit 20. Big old head on that joker.
Where's your
22.
22?
Let him go, let him grow. Yes, sir. While we was busy playing with a flathead, this dude here decided to show up. Well,
He's lively.
he didn't really fight. He just kind of rolled in.
Kind of how that flat was. Off to the races.
Thought he's finna splash me. Yeah. Let's do it some more, baby.